we were talking about the idea is to bring to your dance three important points to show your follower, to show your leader, and to show both of you. So it will make your dance more bright, more beautiful. And we also were talking about how to create a good connection at Slingshot after the roll out. Yeah, that's it, and we'll go further. So we will. Can I ask you? Okay, so. The basic variation of roll out, we started with right to left, so it was 1, 2, 3, and 4. On 4 leaders, you should be in front of your follower, don't be behind, be in front of your followers, and followers you keep the intention, rotational intention, so your left side should be turning into the leader's arm, and to bring your follower out, you just transfer your weight to your left, followers to your right, and slowly left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. So then we did left to right, which was 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is 4. Leaders straightening your arm before you rotate her, and bring your arm the lower part of your lumbar. And then show your right arm, followers engage your right arm, and you bring her to slingshot. One more time, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6. Okay, so leaders, and it's important to understand the idea of their counter, their speed rate, and the amount of tension follower gives you in any kind of slingshot or hip cage. So we're practicing the exercise. So our weight will go on our right, left legs. So we have shortening arms, and we have the stretch. And then followers, you transfer your weight on your right, and leaders, you evaluate. Transfer, slowly, and you leaders transfer, and leaders you slowly you evaluate how much rate, how much speed rate your follower has. So you don't release your arm just because. So you evaluate your speed and tension. So this is what happens on the 5 after rolling. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. You catch her, and she brings her weight to her right, and you evaluate and count her. And from here we did a play, 2 times of play, and then sugar tug for the exit. So followers, for you it's important on the slingshot or any kind of hip cages. If you have you need to understand what kind of momentum do you have, what kind of momentum leader gave you, linear or rotation. So from here, leader gave you the rotational momentum. So you need to keep intention. Your right side should go back. Then we showed the follower to the audience. So it's going to do this. So it was 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. So from here we did to bring your follower closer. You in general you need to bring your arm to the side. So you bring her closer. Then you bring your right to bring her to shadow position. You bring your right arm to the side and left arm up. Here leaders, my weight is on my left, not on my right. There's no connection on my left. And to bring her out, right leg rotation. And then the same idea, but you bring yourself to the audience. So it was 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4. So from here, leaders, to bring bring yourself to the audience. So you transfer your weight on your left, your weight on your left, your weight on your left. You bring your right arm up, palms facing the ceiling. You bring yourself to the audience, and then triple step and straight to prepare your follower for the free spin. So it's 7, 8, 1 and 2. Straight to the prep. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Thank you. And then I gave the followers some ideas how to create the rotational momentum. Okay, so it was 1, 2, 3 and 4 and followers. And on 5 I use my right leg and do ronde. 5. It brings my right hip back. 5. And at the same time I lift my right arm up. I bring my right arm to my neck. Little support me. I do a small back bend. I release my left arm and go to anchor. Okay, so one more time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. And one more. The duck. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4.